passports are ready now? Wonderful. What's that? Guys, if we could keep on filing into the room, please. Don't worry about queuing. Use all the available space close to the eyes at the front, close to the eyes at the front of the video rooms.
Let me be the first to welcome you with the very words that met Harry when he came to the castle. Welcome to Hogwarts. Give it a push, guys. Give him a round of applause. Thank you so much for that door. Let me just get through. There you go. Brilliant. So please do follow me into the Great Hall. So please come through all the way through those doors. And yes, this is the Great Hall, and it was one of the first sets ever to be constructed and one of the largest. Now it stood just over there actually to the right in a soundstage, and we have brought it here piece by very piece for you to experience. And I know it's tempting to stand in those doors, but please do keep coming all the way into the room, as we could get a casting crew of 400 into this space, so I know we can get you all in. Now, as you walk in, please do take as many pictures as you like of this amazing set. And as you come in, do look at all the things that you might not have seen when you were watching the movies, such as the murals on each side of the walls, and of course, as you come in, do look up at those beautiful candles. Now, our special effects team, led by Special Effects Supervisor John Richardson, has rigged these 400 candles to a motorised rigging system. And this is how we actually created this in some of the first productions, especially in that first film. Now, I say that first film because what happened was these were actually candles with a real fuel reserve and a wick. So we attached them to what you see above you, which is tungsten wires. And that room was particularly prone to drafts, and so there was the problem. It flickered, it blew, actually very, very heavy as I'm holding it in the air. And one of the problems was, as the students were singing, acting, and taking several takes, it became extremely heavy for them to also puppeteer the frogs. So what they did was the creatures department actually hid behind
Then they came to a bridge, you could turn up, take the top off, let the bus drive underneath, pop it back on again. That's what they did each time.
The limited So we've arrived at our destination. Thank you very much for joining me. Here's another special effects demonstration around the corner, whatever you choose to do. Special effects demonstration of the flat style. What can I say about the night bus? Well, the script called for a triple-decker bus.
Go in front, what I told you.
Thank you.